Kicking off our list is the iconic Ural 4320. This multi-purpose off-road truck has been a workhorse for the Russian military and various industries. Its exceptional cross-country capabilities, coupled with its reliability, have made it a legend on the rough roads. Coming in at number 9 is the KAMAZ 4310. Known for its impressive load-carrying capacity and durability, this truck has proven itself in the harshest conditions. Whether it's hauling heavy cargo or taking on treacherous trails, the KAMAZ 4310 never backs down. At number 8, we have the legendary GAZ 66. This 4x4 off-road truck has a reputation for being tough as nails. With its distinctive design and go-anywhere attitude, it's a favorite among off-road enthusiasts and military personnel alike. Taking the 7th spot is the versatile ZIL 131. This multi-purpose vehicle has served as a cargo truck, a troop carrier, and even a fire truck. Its robust build and ability to handle almost any challenge make it a standout in the Russian truck lineup. Breaking into the top half of our list is the Combat T98. This isn't your typical off-road truck. It's a luxury armored vehicle. With its powerful engine and high-end features, it's designed to offer both comfort and protection, making it a favorite among VIPs and security forces. Z Hunter. Don't be fooled by its compact size. This 4x4 off-road vehicle is built to conquer the wild. It's a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts who value agility and capability in a smaller package. Securing the 4th position is the Pramac Taos. This heavy-duty truck is designed to handle extreme terrains with ease. Its impressive ground clearance, powerful engine, and customizable options make it a go-to choice for those seeking off-road supremacy. Landing on the podium at number 3 is the Ural 43206, commonly known as the Trekol. This amphibious all-terrain vehicle is a beast when it comes to tackling sand, mud, snow, and even water bodies. Its unique design and capabilities set it apart from the crowd. Runner-up on our list is the KAMAZ 63968 Typhoon K. This modern armored vehicle is built for tactical operations and is engineered to handle intense combat environments. Its technological advancements and robust build make it a force to be reckoned with. And finally, claiming the top spot on our list is the Sherp ATV. This compact off-road marvel can conquer virtually anything in its path. With its massive tires and incredible maneuverability, the Sherp ATV can tackle boulders, swim across water bodies, and navigate the trickiest terrains.